Ki Pulit ke West Khasi Hills District, kila register kes hakabaya day, but kawai ke video kabla sapriang haki rinsan social media, hakaba kawai ke Kynthei, kala Shah short dusman hawai brio ubla persyang ban kesi yaka, but Thap but Kyrdem sundon na Khlieh surong, but kumbala yo Jaintia ke ong bakani ke Jaintia, kala Jia hak surok Nongstoin bypass, yakba empat la ban pintikna minu ke Jia. Nagaliang ki pulen, kidang penlong ke jing toket halor kani ke Jaintia, but lap ya kadau tinrai, but ban kem yu tu brio badon keti, but short dusman ya kate ke Kynthei.
Khubor ini kami guru. Karam jadi biar baik. Oh, Richard tu izin tes. Hello. Belum. 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 Kata melon.
Pergi masuk biar-biar. Parah. Kamu enggak? Enggak. Depan hawas.
Tak ini ibu.
Enggak. Tu biar.
Karam jadi biar baik. Oh, Richard tu izin tes.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.
Thank you.